fixing drinks? Can I help you at all? I just hope it'll actually be democratic, but I'm not holding my breath. Even if it's not voter intimidation, they have other ways of altering the results.
Special 10-year commemoration of the collapse. There's some never-before-seen footage there.
Checkpoint. Yeah, a little further. Stop.
What's that you got there?
It's a movement detector.
Oh, you don't need that. I'm not hiding.
Then you got nothing to worry about. Good. Now pull up to the next checkpoint.
Yeah. Good day to you, too. Well, what's it on for? We run an obedience school. What do you think it's for? Go on, girl. Go on.
What is it, girl? It's all clear. Nothing but boxes. Maybe one of my boxes spooked the dog. Yeah, maybe. Pull up to the last checkpoint. Impossible to beat. Ooh, excessive, isn't it? Triple check system. New policy from the big man. Starting the scanner now. You're free to cross. Come right back after you're delivered. Understand? To our warm and welcoming country, I'd be a fool not to.
Freedom. Nothing is more important, but there are many others in Petra still looking for it. and their journeys have only just begun.
Hello, Sonia Sanchez here. Welcome to the Sonia Show. Now let's take a moment to look at the latest candidate polls. Looks like Tyrak is still the preferred candidate. Surprisingly, it does appear Flores has some supporters, probably members of the brigades. As you know, the Sonia Show is very concerned about our youth who continue to mysteriously disappear. Let's view today's Missing Teen Report. Remember, if you have any information, please call the Sonia hotline. The hotline is available 24 hours, 7 days a week. Let's bring these teens back home. And that has been the Sonia Show.
Get your tapes and snacks here. Tapes and snacks. Music goes well with the road. It's like the perfect complement to being on a road trip.
Looks like Tyrak is still the preferred candidate. Another day, Remember, if you have any information,
You're one of them, huh?
the Sonia hotline.
Sorry, kid. I got nothing.
Come on, Joe, where's my drink?
Hey, give me a second, would you?
Take a break, Joe. You seem pissed off.
I am. I hire a bartender, and he fails to show on the first day. Any chance you want to fill it? Aren't you a little young? Wait, hold on. I don't care if you're a goddamn fetus. Want to make some money? Goddamn right. Hear that? We got ourselves a teen bartender.
Couldn't be worse than you.
Screw you, Debbie. Okay, kid. The key to bartending is never losing your cool. I'll be in the kitchen scrubbing dishes. The dishwasher didn't show either. The world is full of degenerates.
A glass of General Guzzle.
One tyrant brew.
What's with my General Guzzle? Thanks.
So, where's my tyrant brew?
Hey, kid.
I asked for
a
a
nation
tyrant.
potion.
Thanks,
And make it
kid.
snappy.
Here you go.
It doesn't look like you're making my nation potion.
One tyrant brew.
Here we go.
Motherland spirits.
So, where's my Tyrek brew?
My motherland spirit.
Guess I'll
Hey,
leave you a
kid,
tip.
one desert draft.
I asked for a motherland spirit ages ago.
Where's my desert draft?
Motherland spirit! Motherland spirit! Motherland
Here's a
spirit!
tip. Go buy yourself some diapers.
I asked for a motherland spirit ages ago.
Hey, kid, a nation potion, and make it snappy.
Thanks.
A shot of good swallow.
It doesn't look like you're making my nation potion.
Guess I'll leave you a tip.
I want my nation potion. Here we go.
The usual. The Jared. It's on the wall. Strange. My bartender looks like a kid. But here, you deserve this. Now, make me another.
On Minister of Oil, we recorded the following. And here's to hoping for at least 10 more years with you. Looks like Tyrek is still the preferred candidate. Another day, another team taught trying to leave our country in
You're at the TV. 10-year commemoration for the victims of the attack is coming up. My daughter was one of the poor souls who died under those rocks. Well, bad things happen sometimes, don't they? Oh, finally done with the dishes, kid. Jesus, these people are disgusting. Anyway, thanks for the help. Here's a meal on the house. Jared, I didn't see you there. Kid, you should go. It's getting late.
What
goes around comes around. I know that. Hey, kid. Be careful out there. Don't ever call a taxi.